Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install NFS server for cloud storage on Centos 7. This is my server information, IP address, operating system Centos 7, RAM 1GB you can use for best performance, more RAM. This is my testing lab, disk 10GB, CPU 2, CPU must be 64-bit, service Apache Cloud Stack version 4.15, hostname acs-nfs.technologyrss.local. Now I check server version and IP address. Next must be your server EPL release latest update. Now EPL release done, and now run yum update for latest update installation. It will take 10 to 15 minutes for complete installation done. Now press Y, again press Y for add key. Installation successfully done. Now record package installation wget and ntp crony. Yes, successfully done. And open hostess file. All server information add into this file. This is my cloud stack management server, KVM server and NFS storage server. Check host name fqdn, successfully ping cloudstack.apache.org. firewall stop and disable, and also AC Linux must be disabled from here, and then your server reboot affect this AC Linux status. Now coming this server and check SC status. AC Linux status is disabled. Now I going to next step for static IP address setup. This IP address, gateway, DNS, domain name. Okay, this is already setting up. Now install NFS Utils and NFS 4 ACL tools. Yes, installation done. And now start NFS service and enable NFS service and check NFS service is properly running. Find NFS package. Now create two directory, primary and secondary, and now share using export file. This star means all network. You can use a specific your local network. Status, okay, it's been export file. Yes, success. Show mount for check your shared folder. Now install Iptables package using this command. Yes, installation done. And add Iptables rules for all required port into cloud stack. Now save Iptables service. Start, enable and restart Iptables service. Then check status. Yes, active running. And you can check this enable port. Then reboot your server for all service properly running. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.